أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can everyone hear me?
Walaikum assalam. Yes.
Right, okay. Now, yesterday we did the lesson on mudaf and mudaf ilay. However, due to the how prolonged the class was, around I think 5 minutes or something, I wasn't able to complete the concept of mudaf ilay. So I want to complete it today, and then inshallah we'll continue. Now, we spoke about the example. So let me show you this example here. Right, I gave you the example of Kitabu Abbasin. So here we've got the example Kitabu Muhammadin. Is that clear? Kitabu Muhammadin. Yes?
Yes.
Now, Kitabu Muhammadin, Kitab is mudaf and Muhammadin is mudaf ilay. And Sister Nasia, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Can you come on the mic? Now, from the harakat, how do you know that Kitab is mudaf and Muhammadin is mudaf ilay? What was the rulings which we discussed yesterday?
Because Kitabu has the dhammati on the last letter, so that is mudaf, and it's also an object belong to noun
Correct.
after it. So
Yeah.
Muhammad has on the last letter, so that's
yeah. And Muhammadin has a kasra tanween. So Kitab has a dhamma, not instead of a dhamma tanween, and Muhammadin has a kasra tanween. Now, sometimes in Arabic as well, so rather than having a name after the kitab, you sometimes have a pronoun, and this is also called mudaf ilay. So as you can see, the equal sign they have put there. So instead of Kitabu Muhammad, and sometimes you want to keep the name Muhammad discreet, so you can say like Kitabuhu, meaning Kitabu Muhammadin as well. And in other words, you can have a noun and a pronoun as a mudaf ilay, and it will be treated as mudaf ilay. The only difference is that when a pronoun comes, kitabuhu, can you see the hu is coming with a dhamma, is not coming with a kasra tanween. So that is only one ruling with regards to pronouns. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sister Sayyida, is that clear for you?
Yes, maybe when we do more, it'll become clear.
So Sister Nasia, can you go through these examples which are on the screen where the pronouns are being attached?
Kitabuhu, his book. There are two persons' book. No. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabuhuma, their book. There are two persons' book, female. Kitabuhunna, their book, female. Kitabuka, your book, male. Kitabukuma, your two persons' book, male. Kitabukum, your book, plural male. Kitabuki, your book, female. Kitabukuma, your two persons' book, female. Kitabukunna, your book, plural, female. Book, kitabuna, our book.
So all of these pronouns now, you will see there's no tanween at the end. So the harakat of the tanween on the last letter, like Muhammadin, is it's hidden. That's the best way of putting it. So kitabuhu, kitabuhuma, kitabuhum, this is how they come. Can I ask Sister Sayyida to do this as well, please?
Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuhuma, their two people's book. Their kitabuhum, their book, plural. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabuhuma, dual, female. Kitabuhunna, plural, female. Kitabuka, your book. Your book, male. Kitabukuma, your two-person book. And kitabukum, your book, plural. Kitabuki, your book, female. Kitabukuma, your two-persons book. Kitabukunna, your book, female, plural. Kitabi, my book. Kitabuna, our book. Got it.
Sister Masooma Zahra, can you come on the mic, please? Now, what I'm going to give you, Sister Masooma, I'm going to give you Baytuhu now. So this is a handout which I'm going to give for the Quranic Arabic classes. So over here now, you have, instead of Kitabuhu, example of Baytuhu, and this is also mudaf ilay. Sometimes instead of pronouns, you can have nouns as well. So Sister Masooma Zahra, Bismillah.
بيته بيتهما
Translation as well, Sister Zahra. Baytuhu, his house. Bismillah.
door his door بيته his door
No, house.
his door
Bayt is house. Bab is door. Baytuhu, his house.
his house بيتهما their house بيتهم theirs house بيتها her house بيتهما their house بيتهن their house male and female بيتك your house بيتكما your house بيتكم your house بيتكم your house plural and بيتك is your house masculine.
No, female. Ki, when a ki comes is a feminine, ka is for masculine.
Okay. بيتكما your house, both masculine and feminine. بيتكن your house or their house. بيتي
No,
my house.
kunna, this is your house. Kunna
Your
is
house.
for, yeah. So ka kuma, ki kuma, kunna is for second person, your house. And then bait,
بيتي my house. بيتنا our house.
thank you. Can I ask Sister Abida to come on the mic, please, and do kitabuhum.
Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuhuma, their book. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabuhuma, their book, female. Kitabuhuna, their book. Kitabukuma, your book. Kitabukum, your both book, for the plural. Kitabukun, your book. Kitabi, my book. Kitabuna, our book.
Jazakallah, thank you. Sister Zahra Hussain, can you come on the mic? Can you, Sister Zahra? Now, only thing is that now, Sister Zahra, over here, kitabuhu, the ba of mudaf is coming with dhamma. Now, over here, it's coming after a preposition, harf jar fi. So, for kitabuhu, is changing now fi kitabihi. So as I mentioned, the mudaf itself the default position is a dhamma, but it can change to a fatha or a kasra. So fi kitabihi, in his book. Sister Zahra, bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fi kitabihi is because of fi it is majroor, and the he is also majroor because of it.
No, the he is majroor because of suitability of harakat. Is easier to read. Fi kitabi, who is difficult. So because of that, they put a kasra there. Fi kitabihi. That's the reason why.
Okay. Fi kitabuhima. Their two books. In their two books.
The books, yeah. There are two persons' book. There are the book is one, but the owner of the book is two people. There are two individuals' book.
Yeah, in their two individual books. Fi kitabihim, in their in all of their books. Fi kitabiha, in her book. Fi kitabihima, in their two books, female. Fi kitabihinna, in their in all of their female books.
No, the book is one. Book is one, but the owners of the book are more than two people. It's fi kitabihinna, mean their book, plural. Book is
Their
one.
book.
Book is one, but there's three owners of the book.
Okay. Fi kitabika. Fi kitabika. So how will it be?
For example,
Plural books and plural people.
Yeah, so it's plural. So for example, Baytukum, your house. Baytukum, the house, there may be six people.
So it will be fi kutubihinna.
If it was plural, then fi kutubihinna, then they're all individuals' book, yes. Yes. If it's going to be plural, then the kitab has to change to plural as well. Fi kutubihinna or fi kutubikunna.
Fi kutubihinna.
Yes.
Okay. Fi kitabika, your book. In your book. Fi kitabikuma, in your two people's book. Fi kitabikum, in all of your book. And fi kitabikuma, in your two people's book. Fi kitabika ki, in your book, female. In fi kitabikunna, in your book, the two-person female.
So there's my mistake here. What I've done, I put the key here instead of over there. So let me just change this. That should have been over here. And this should be kuma. So fi kitabiki, fi kitabikuma, fi kitabikunna.
Fi kitabikunna, in all of your female books. Fi kitabi, in my book. And fi kitabina, in our book.
Jazakallah, thank you for that. Can I request Brother Ahmed? Yeah, Ahmed, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
How are you? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Did you get a chance to listen to the recording, or are you up to date?
I kind of know what's going on.
You can, okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you to do two things then. I want you to do Baytuhu, which is the actual. So Baytuhu is mudaf, mudaf. So what's happening? House is being owned by him. So when a pronoun comes, the noun becomes a proper noun. So his house is not any person's, random person's house. It's one person's house. So these pronouns are making the noun bayt definite. So that's the reason why we say baytu with a dhamma, not baytun hu. We don't say with a tanween, because tanween and alif lam are two things which will never come with a mudaf bayt itself, because it's mudaf. Because there are two ways of making a common noun. So for example, when we say a house, it could be my house, it could be your house, it could be Sayyida's house, it could be anyone's house. But when we say the house, it becomes particular. Same is the case with who. When a pronoun is attached, the noun becomes particular to a particular individual. So what I want you to do, I want you to do the first column baytuhu and then ila bayti. So you know the difference. Original harakat of mudaf is dhamma, and when it comes after a preposition like fi and ila to, then baytuhu becomes ila baytihi with a kasra. Bismillah, do both columns.
So baytuhu, his house. Baytuhuma, their
House.
both their house.
Yep.
Baytuhum, their plural house. Baytuha, her house. Baytuhuma, their two-person female house. Baytuhum, I'm sorry, Baytuhunna, their Baytuhunna, their plural female house. Baytuka, your house, male. Baytukuma, their dual male house. Baytukum, their plural house.
Not there. There is for third person. If you look over here, it says you. It's referring to the second person. So baytuki means your one female's house.
Oh yes, yeah. So baytuki, your female house. Baytukuma, your dual female house. Baytukunna, your plural female house. Bayti, my house. Baytuna, our house.
Excellent. And then I want you to do the next column, the last column. So you will see like now if the word baytu, so if you see over here, is it ila bayti Muhammadin, towards Muhammad's house. Because of ila, bayti is getting a kasra. If the ila wasn't there, then it would baytu Muhammadin. Yes?
Yes.
And when there's a pronoun instead of Muhammad, is represented by ila bayti he. So I just need to change that harakat to he.
Okay. Yeah, I thought it was he. It didn't sound right.
Yeah, I've changed it. Yeah, because the dhamma is difficult to read. That's the reason why they changed it to a kasra. Bismillah.
So ila baytihi, towards his house. Ila baytihima, towards their two-person's house. Ila baytihim, their plural house. Ila baytiha, her house, towards her house. Ila baytihima, their two-person, towards their dual female house. Ila baytihinna, sorry, ila baytihim, towards
Their house. Ila baytihinna, towards their house. Yeah.
Ila baytiha, towards her house. Ila baytihima, towards their two-person's house. Ila baytihinna, towards their plural house. Ila baytika, towards your house. Ila baytikuma, towards your dual house. Ila baytikum, towards your plural house. Ila baytiki, towards your female house. Ila baytikuma, towards your dual house. Ila baytikunna, towards your plural house. And ila bayti, towards my house. Ila baytina,
Our house. Is this clear for everyone now?
Yes.
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 Brilliant.
So only one pronoun is getting a kasra, which is who, right? Because the rest of the pronouns didn't change.
They are changing.
With fi.
So fi kitabihi, so original was huma. So fi kitabi hima. Instead of huma, it's becoming hima.
Okay.
The harakat of the pronoun, just the just to make it easier to pronounce it, they change into a kasra itself.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I'll send this handout. This handout is actually prepared for the Arabic through the Quran, because they're not concentrating on Medina Arabic books. So I have to prepare different handouts for them. So that's this handout for that. I'll send this handout inshallah today in the other group.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's that. Now let me give you some more examples. I'm going to give you a few examples. Can everyone come on the mic one at a time? Okay, let's bring first person. Says Zahra Hussain, Bismillah. So let's start from Ya Zahra, Bismillah. This one here. Kullu nafsin dha'iqatul maut.
Oh, okay, that one. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kullu nafsin za'iqatul maut. Wa innama
So ये जो लाल में है, the red, this is mudaf ilayh. So tell me how it's coming. So kullu nafsin, every soul will taste
death.
So kullu, can you see kullu? Explain
Kullu,
how is it mudaf ilayh.
Kullu nafsin is mudaf ilayh. Kullu is mudaf and nafsin is mudaf ilayh. Za'iqatul maut is again mudaf ilayh.
Exactly. So here the nafsin is having a kasra tanween, and the next one, the mudaf ilayh, al-maut, is having an alif lam.
Alif lam.
Okay? So this is a good example from the Quran. Jazakallah. Next person, Sister Ma'suma Zahra. Can you come on the mic?
Sir, Assalamu alaikum. I just want clarification on when you say mudaf and mudaf ilayh, I seem to forget. So if you could just say it like, if it's like the subject, right?
No.
No, it's possessor and possessed.
Exactly. Kullu is possessed, and nafsin, possessor. Every soul, dha'iqatul maut. Then this mudaf is possessed, and al-maut is the possessor. So every person who will, a noun. Let me show you again.
If you can just the word mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So
yeah. Let me give you 1 second. Let me just show you now.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Sister Fizza, come on the mic, please. The mudaf is
the mic.
Yeah, Bismillah. The mudaf.
Okay, the mudaf is the thing that belongs to the noun that directly follows it, and a mudaf ilayh is the person or thing that possesses the mudaf. Okay. So kitabu Abbasi. This is Abbas's book. Okay. Abbas's kitab. Allah's book is Kitabullahi.
Correct. The mudaf ilayh.
Yeah, this is Abbas's book. This is Allah's book, right? So, okay. So I'm just the mudaf ilayh can be either a noun or a pronoun, as we shall show in examples for them. Prepositions and idafa.
So like the examples we just showed you now, like this one here, these are the examples of mudaf ilayh for you.
Okay, right.
Is that clear now?
Yes. Yeah.
So for kullu nafsin, like the kullu is not, it's a thing possessed by the nafs in this case.
It said it could be either the thing. So it can be a possession, or the noun, it owns itself. So that's what is the definition. So sometimes when you're trying to make, even though they're coming as mudaf ilayh, but sometimes try to do it in the translate of possession and possess, it doesn't make sense. So what you will say, as you can see over here, it says that the mudaf. So where's it gone? Let me show you. The mudaf can either be a noun or a pronoun, as we show you now. So this, sorry, no, not one. It's here. The mudaf is a thing that belongs to the noun that directly follows it. So you see this? it can be a noun or it could be a human being. So it is not restricted to that. It always has to be an individual. It could be objects as well. It could be a noun as well.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah. So that's something which
Yes.
sometimes students ask that question. So it's not necessarily always going to be individuals. It could be a noun which possesses it itself. That's it. It's just a way of construction of sentences in the Arabic language. Where have I gone? Okay, let me just go. So we were good. Where have I gone? Kullu nafsin. Where have I gone? Okay, so sister, who's going to come on the mic? Okay, sister Ma'suma Zahra, I think I was going to
Yes.
ask her. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mata'ul Gururi. So there is this mataf. Mata'ul Gururi is mataf and Gururi is madaf ilay because there is a kasra underneath the ra.
Exactly. So mata means provision or luggage. Al-ghurur means of ghurur of arrogance itself. Mata. So that al-ghurur comes from the ghurur, which means arrogance. It's arrogance. Or mata al-ghurur can be translated as وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. Only the provision which you have in this world is only for arrogance and to be proud. That's what it's trying to say. Next example, please.
Fi sabilillahi. Fi and sabilillahi. So fi sabil is like mudaf and lahi, Allah, he is mudaf alayh.
And why is it fi sabilillah? Why is it not sabilullahi?
Because it's because like there's the one like
No, fi. What's fi doing to sabil? Why is it sabili? Why can we not say sabilo? What is fi doing? Remember, what is fi?
pronoun. This is a pronoun
No, it's a harf jar. It's a preposition.
preposition.
Like we did fi, ala. These, when they come before a noun, they change the harakat of the last letter to the noun which comes after it. Fi sabili. It was sabilullah. ये जो है, there should be sabilullah, but it's fi sabilillah because of fi changing the harakat.
Okay.
Like here, mina. Look at this here. Bishay'in. Ba is a preposition. Bishay'in is a kasra tanween. Here, because of the alif lam, the word amwal is coming min al amwali. Yes.
Yes.
Right. Can I have?
Yeah. Min is a preposition.
Sorry.
Min is a preposition.
Min is a preposition.
And bishay'in.
Ba by itself is a preposition.
Sorry, what is the preposition?
B by itself. This ba by itself, like ba'ul bismillah.
Yes.
Right.
So both. That's why they are changing the
Kasra tanween.
Dhamma
Bishay'in.
to. Okay. The Dhamma to kasra.
Kasra tanween. Yes.
Kasra tanween.
Yes. Can I ask Sayyidas come on the mic next, please?
Yes, please.
Surah, I think Surah Baqarah, yeah, verse 157. Ulaika alayhim salawatun min rabbihim. So why is it min rabbihim, and why would it not be rabbuhum? Explain, please.
Because min is a preposition, so the rabbi is becoming rabbi because of the preposition, so it is genitive, and him is muzaf ilayh, so it is again with kasra. So min rabbihim.
Min rabbi. The original word is rabbuhum.
Rabbuhum.
And it is going because of min. It's changing rabbuhum to rabbihim because it's mudaf. It won't take a kasra tanween. It will not be rabbin. It will be rabbihim. Ahsanti. Excellent. Is it become clear for you now?
Yes.
Next one. Fi laylatil qadr. Bismillah.
Me?
Yes. Bismillah. Say that yourself.
Fi laylatil qadri. Fi is the preposition. Laylati is the genitive. And laylatil qadr means laylati is the mudaf, and qadri is the mudaf ilayh.
Excellent. Jazakallah. That was brilliant. Right. Let's bring next person, Sister Abda.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Wama
The-
adraka.
Wama adraka ma Laylatul Qadri.
Excellent. You got an easy one now.
I'm lucky. So the next
Night-
one,
Yeah. So what type of composition? It's Night of Destiny. The Night of Destiny. So what type of composition is this? Laylatul Qadri.
Laylatul Qadri. So Qadr will be
Mudaf.
Laylatul is a night, right?
Yeah.
So that's a special night.
Exactly. Special night. What night is becoming special by Qadr? So Layla is mudaf because it has a dhamma. Al-Qadri has the kasra. So that's mudaf ilay. So this is mudaf ilay.
Madaf alayh. Thank you.
And then I'm going to give you another one, which is going to be, let's give you, let's give you, where was that gone?
Kulli Shayn Qadir, I think
Yeah,
that's
Kulli
all.
Shayn, I haven't done that one yet. Yeah, this one here. Inna Allah ala kulli
Inna
shay'in. Yeah.
Shayn Qadir. Inna Allaha ala kulli Shayn Qadir. So ala kulli Shayn Qadir. Qadir is the
No,
big, like,
ignore Qadir because that has a different position in the sentence. So
okay.
ala is what? A preposition, which means on. And the word kulli, can you see a kasra?
Kulli Shayn.
Yeah. So
So
kulli,
that's a preposition.
ala is a preposition. Kulli is getting a kasra, and kul and shay together, they have a relationship. So originally, if the ala wasn't there, the kul would not be with a kasra, it would be with a dhamma. So everything. So it would be kullu, like we say kullu ardhin, we say kullu yawmin ashura, but here it's kullu shay'in. So I can compare that. So here it would be kullu shay'in. Kullu shay'in.
Shayn.
So that means everything. Yeah, kullu shay means everything. So
that would be Mudafa.
Yes, kullu is mudaf. Shay'in is having a kasra tanween, is mudaf ilay.
Mudaf ilay. So what is the Mudaf ilay and Mudaf?
The whole lesson I gave yesterday. It's the possessed and the possessed thing.
Possessor.
Yeah. Kullu is
So-
possessed and shay'in is the possessor of everything. So there is construction of a sentence. It could be a noun. It could be a pronoun as well. The shay can be mudaf ilay, can be a noun, or it could be a pronoun. And kulli is changing its harakat from a dhamma to a kasra because of ala itself.
Okay, thank you so much.
Right,
Ala kulli.
okay, let's move on now. I want to go to lesson number and finish off the exercises now.
So Mudaf and possessor is the same thing?
So mudaf is the possessed and the mudaf ilayh is the possessor. When you say kitabullahi, kitab is the possessed, and possessor of the book is, or kitab is the owned by who? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the owner.
So he's the possessor.
Correct.
Okay. And he's a possessor, and Mudaf and possessor is the same, or no?
No, mudaf is the thing. So who owns, when you say kitab, Allah's book, is it Allah owned by the book or book owned by the Allah?
Allah owns the book.
Exactly. So in English language, what happens, let me just show you something. I think I know where you're getting confused. 1 second.
Mudaf ilay is the owner.
Yes, correct. Let me just show you. Oh, I know what's happening. So let me show you. Let me show you from the example. Now, in English language, what's happening? You're comparing it from English to Arabic. You can't do that. In English, you have the owner first, and then you have the thing which is possessed by the possessor. We say Abbas's book. Can you see it? Abbas's book, Allah's book. But in Arabic language, we do it, we construct it the other way around. We say the possessed and then the possessor. We say book of Abbas, book of Allah.
Right.
Got it?
Okay.
So in English language, we mention the owner first, possessor first, and the thing which is possessed.
Correct. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
That's sometimes that confusion occurs because of translating from one language to the other language itself.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, right. Let's finish off this lesson. Let me get the Zoom. Right. Can you see? Let me just. So we're on lesson number 6 to finish off. We did this. We did this. So what did we got? I think we had something remaining to finish off. Do you remember? Okay, I'll tell you now.
Haza Ibn Hamide. That's
Yeah,
lesson
lesson
6.
47.
Lesson number
Lesson
6, exercise 2.
Yeah.
Lesson 45. Page 45.
Page 47.
Page 47.
47, yes.
Yeah.
Page
Second
47.
exercise.
Yeah.
This
Second
one, yes.
exercise. Yeah, right. Okay, Sister Masuma, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
So read the example and make sentences on this pattern. So Muhammadun talibun. So
Yeah.
what it's trying to say is that it wants you to change the khabar, Muhammad is a student, is that these words which are coming at the end, it wants you to change it to female, as we learned in this lesson, that add the time marbuta, it makes it feminine. So I want you to do the first 1 and 2, and then Sister Gulshan, you could do 3, and then Sister Fizza, you could do 4. Go ahead.
Muhammadun talibun.
Mhm.
Aminatu talibatun.
Correct. So the next one.
Hamidun tabibun.
Mhm.
Fatimatu tabibatun.
Correct. What does that mean?
Fatima is the doctor.
Is a female doctor, correct.
Female doctor. Yeah.
Next person, who did I say? Sister Gulshan. Number 3. Okay, Sister Fizza, can you do number 3?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Huwa Muslimun and Huwa Muslimun. He is the Muslim.
Yep.
So here Muslimi.
Here Muslim. Time marbuta. You just need to add a time marbuta at the end. Here Muslimatun.
Oh, here Muslimatun.
Yeah, he add the time marbuta and it makes it feminine adjective.
Okay.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
haven't actually. That's the thing. Should I do the second time? It'll be hard for me. I'll try. Al-babu mughlaqun.
Yep, next one.
An-nafidhatu.
An-nafidhatu.
So we'll say no, I'm not at all there. Okay.
So you just add a time marbuta. Just say that kaf at the end. Change that to a fatha. Add time marbuta.
Okay. An-nafidhatu.
Mughlaqatun.
Nafidhatun.
An-nafidhatu mughlaqatun.
Mughlat. Okay, so the bab will. Nafidhatun is, what does it mean? I don't understand.
An-nafidhatu means window.
Oh, okay. So this is the
Closed.
door.
The window. So al-babu mughlaqun, the door is closed. An-nafidhatu mughlaqatun, the window is closed.
Okay. An-nafidhatu mughlatun.
Mughlaqatun.
Mughlaqatun.
Correct.
The words are getting longer and longer.
Well, the thing is that you should be progressing. That's the whole purpose.
Yeah. And I need more practice on it, sir. I haven't practiced, to be honest. Because you had a death in our community, right? our young Maulana
I know,
Sayyid.
I'm aware, I know.
Yeah, so we've been very, disturbed.
Can I ask Sister Ma'suma to come and do number 5?
Yes. Number 5.
Yes, please.
Number 5 is al-mendilu wasihun al-yaddu wasakhatun.
Wasikhatun.
Wasakhatun.
Correct.
The hand is dirty. And
Al-mindilu wasikhun, and the handkerchief is dirty.
yes.
Jazakallah. Thank you. Sister Nasia, can you do the next one, please?
Yes,
Ashayo. Sister Nasia, are you there? I think she's frozen. Okay, let's bring.
al-qahwa.
I can't hear you.
Hello?
Yep, carry on. Start again. Ashayo.
Ashayu harun.
Correct.
The tea is hot. Al-qahwatu haratun. The coffee is hot.
Can you do the next one as well, please? Al-masjidu.
Masjidun ba'idun. The masjid is fun. Hello?
Yep, carry on.
Okay. Al-madrasatu ba'idatun. The school is far.
The school is far. Brother Hussain, can you do the next two, 8 and 9?
Right. Talibu maridun. The student is poor.
Yep. Ill.
Sorry, ill.
Yep.
Talibatu maridatun.
Excellent.
The student is ill. Yeah. Al-hasanu sari'un. I don't know what sari' means.
Sari'un means swift, quick, fast. The horse is fast.
The horse is fast. As-sayyaratu sari'atun.
Excellent.
The car is fast.
Jazakallah. Brother, Sister Sayyida, number 10 and 11, please.
Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Ash-shamsu jamilatun. The sun is beautiful. Al-babu jalisun.
No, al-abu.
Al-abu jalisun. The father is sitting.
Yep.
Al-ummu jalisatun. The mother is sitting.
Exactly. Al-ummu jalis, the mother is sitting. Thank you. Exercise 3, I'm not going to do. There's no point in doing that exercise. Right, that's all done. Exercise 4, there's nothing important as such I need you to teach. That's fine. That's fine. Right. Lesson number 7 is very similar to lesson number 6. We learned in lesson number 6 about hadhihi. In this lesson now, we're learning the female of how to say that. So hadha is this for masculine, hadhihi is this for feminine. Now we are learning tilka. Tilka means that for female. Tilka means that for female. And in this lesson, you'll find the points to remember are very little. So Brother Hussain, can you read the points to remember?
Yes. In this lesson, we learned tilka, which is the feminine of dhalika, that. For example, هذا بلال وذلك حامد. This is Bilal and that is Hamid. هذه آمنة وتلك مريم. This is Amina and that is Maryam. And the vocabulary is الناقة is she camel. البطة is duck. الممرضة is nurse. البيضة egg. المؤذن مؤذن. And الدجاج hen.
Excellent. Right. This lesson, I'm going to ask Sister Sayyida and Sister Zahra Hussain. Can you come on the mic? I'm not going to read this lesson. You can read this lesson. It's quite easy. Ad-Darsu Sabi, the 7th lesson. So Sister Zahra, can you ask the questions?
Man hadhihi? Who is this?
Sister Sayyida?
Hazihi aminatu. This is Amina.
Waman tilka.
Waman
Translation?
Who is that? And who is that?
Yeah, who is that? Correct.
Tilka Fatimatu. That is Fatima.
هذه طبيب هذه طبيبة وتلك ممر
رضا.
ممرضة
Mumarridat is a nurse.
ممرضة. अच्छा, ممرضة is nurse.
Translation?
This is a doctor and that is a nurse.
Correct. Sister Sayyidah?
هذه من الهندي وتلك من اليابان. She is, or no, this is or she is from India and that is from Japan.
Excellent.
هذه طويلة وتلك قصيرة.
Is referring to a more or less an object. This thing is?
This is taller and this one and that one is shorter.
Oh, we know. Tawilatun means this is long and that is short.
This is
This is long and that is short.
Short. Okay.
Man haza, who is this?
Hada Hamidun. This is Hamid.
Waman zalika, and who is that?
Zalika Aliyun. That is Ali.
Atilka dajajatun. Is this a rooster?
Tilka.
Is that a rooster?
No, the judge
Or
is
a
a hen.
hen. Okay. Is that a hen?
La tilka
Battatun.
Huh?
Battatun.
Battatun. No, that is a duck.
That is a duck. Excellent. Thank you. Next page, Sister Nasia and Sister Zahra, Ma'suma Zahra.
Ma tilka. What is that?
Tilka bayzatun. That is egg.
Nasia, read.
هذه سيارة المدرس وتلك سيارة المدير. This is the teacher's car and that is the boss's car.
Boss's
or
car.
the manager's car.
Yep, correct. Next one, Sister.
Sa'atu Abbasin hazihi.
So
this-
when R comes at the beginning of the sentence is a question. Is this
Yes.
Abbas's
watch.
Correct.
لا هذه ساعة حامد تلك ساعة عباس. No, this is Hamid's watch and that is Abbas's watch.
Zalika dikam watilka dajajatun. That is
A
this is
rooster.
a hen and that is a rooster.
Yeah, this is a rooster and that is a hen. Correct. Thank you, both of you. Sister Abda, can you do 1 and 2?
Sure. Haza madrasa.
Hadihi.
Sorry. Hazahi madrasatu. This is madrasa watilka talibatu. And that is
Jami'atun. Watilka jami'atun.
oh, well, I'm doing number 1. I was doing number 5. Sorry. Haza madrasatun. This is madrasa watalika jami'atun. And that is
University. Watilka
that is
university.
universities. Thank you. Watilka, and that is university. Number 2, Zalika Hamarun. That is a donkey. Watilka Bakratun, and that is
a cow. Excellent.
Bakratun,
Thank you.
cow.
Thank you. Sister Fizza, can you do 3 and 4?
I can do 3 and 4 too.
Let's get Fizza.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zalika masjidun la tilka madrasatun.
Translation?
This
Is
is
that?
that
Is that?
Okay. Is that a masjid? No, that is a school.
Excellent.
Do I do the next one?
Yes, please.
هذه مدرسة وتلك طالبة. This is the
A
school.
female, this is a female teacher.
Okay, this is a this is a mudarrisun. Is it
Mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun.
mudarrisatun? This is a
Female
female
teacher.
teacher.
And that
وتلك
is a
and that is a
female student.
female student.
Timer buta, the end indicates female.
Oh yeah, yes. Thank you, Susan.
Right. Can I ask Sister Gulshan? Sister Gulshan, can you do 4, 6, and 7, please?
Okay. Bismillah. Haza Jamilun. Haza Jamalun.
Yep.
Haza Jamalun. This is a horse. Watilka
A camel. Jamalun is a camel.
camel. Okay. Haza Jamalun. This is a camel. Watilka Nakatun. And that is female camel.
Yep.
Okay.
Number 6.
Hazihi
Hada, this one here. Hada kalbun.
Haza Kalbun. This is a dog. Wazalika Kitun. And that is a cat.
Correct. Number 7.
Haza Baitul Muazzini Watilkal Hadikatu Tajirin. This house is Muazzin. That means the Imam's house.
Yeah, this
Muazzin.
is the Muazzin's house, and that is
Muazzin's house. And that is Hadikatu Tajirin. And that is Tajir's
garden. Merchant's garden.
Yes. Garden. Tajir's garden.
Right. Okay.
Merchant's garden.
Right. Now, I want everyone to use hada and hadihi in these sentences here. So I'm going to give everyone to do 3 each. So I'm going to start with Sister Gulshan. Can you start with the first one? 1, 2,
Okay.
you're going across.
Hazihi Ammu.
Right.
Ummu.
Yep.
Hazihi Ummu.
Correct.
Haza Abun.
Correct.
Haza Kalamun.
Excellent. Sister Sayyida, 4, 5, and 6.
هذه ملأقة. هذه عين.
Excellent.
هذا حجر.
Excellent. Sister Zahra Hussain.
هذا قميص.
Yep.
هذا قدر. What does qidrun mean?
Qidrun is a pot.
Huh?
Pot.
Pot. Okay, yes.
Cooking pot.
Okay. هذه نافذة.
Okay. Brilliant. Sister Nasia, 9, 11, and 12.
هذه بقرة.
Correct.
هذا مكتب.
Yep.
هذه ناقة.
Excellent. Brother Hussein.
هذا مهندس.
Correct.
هذا مؤذن.
Correct.
هذه ممرضة.
Excellent. Sister Mahsuma Zahra.
هذا سرير.
Correct.
هذه حديقة.
Excellent.
هذه طالبة.
Excellent. Sister Abida, 19 and 20.
هذا جمال.
Yep.
هذا بطة.
Battatun is a duck.
بطة.
Yeah. So battatun is female, so you have to say not hada. What's the opposite of hada?
هذه.
Correct. Now I want you to use dhalika and tilka on this exercise. Sister Gulshan, start off.
The same exercise?
Yes.
Okay. Ralika.
Tilka.
Okay. Tilka Ummun.
Yep.
Haza Abun.
No, hada dhalika.
Zalika Abun. Zalika Kalamun.
Excellent. Sister Masuma Zahra. Number 4, 5, and 6, Masuma.
تلك ملآخة
Correct.
and ذلك عين.
No, Ainun is feminine.
Okay.
Tilka. Tilka Ainun. Okay, Ainun is 2. Anything which is 2 is a feminine. Tilka Ainun. And number 6?
ذلك هجر.
Dhalika Hajr. Ahsanti. Abid, sister Sayda, can you do 7, 8, and 9?
Can I please go for namaz time, please?
Yep,
It's
go
namaz.
ahead. Sister
Thank you.
Nasia, can you do 7, 8, and 9?
Yes. هذا قميص.
Yep.
هذا قطر.
Mhm.
And هذه نافذة.
Oh, tilka. We need to.
Oh, wait, sorry. ذلك قميص. ذلك قطر. And تلك نافذة.
Brother Hussein, number 10.
تلك بقرة.
Yep.
ذلك مكتب.
Yep.
And تلك ناقة.
Excellent. Sister Abida, 13, 14, 15.
Mohandasan. So Haza,
Not hada. You have to use dhalika and tilka.
Zalika. So
Dhalika.
Zalika,
Muhandasun.
Mohandasan,
Mhm.
that's an engineer.
Mhm.
Mozana, so Zalika, Mozana, and Tilka,
Mumarridatun.
Moredatun.
Mu'arrid.
Mumarrat,
Mumarridatun.
Mumarratun,
Mumarridatun.
Moredatun.
Yeah, mumarridatun. Yeah, nurse, correct.
Moredatun.
Jazakallah. Sister Fizza, 16, 17, and 18.
16. Zalika sarirun.
Correct. That is a bed.
Tilka hadiqatun.
That is a garden.
And Zalika.
Not dhalika. Dhalika is not. Dhaliba is female.
Oh,
Til-
sorry.
Tilka. Correct.
Tilka talibatun. Female, like talibatun is female. When we talibatun is female.
Yeah, female.
Tanveen we say it.
Yeah, tilka talibatun. Correct.
No, I'm asking you like the marbuta, right? What is it called?
Thai marbuta.
Yeah.
Thai
So
marbuta.
because of that, yeah. Yes, okay, now I understand.
No problem.
Thank
So, okay. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. So, alhamdulillah, we finished lesson number 7. And then lesson number 8, I'm not going to do because I'll do lesson number 8 and 9 together now, next lesson, inshallah. So, Jazakallah khair. Thank you. Lesson number 8 and 9 will be good together, inshallah. And lesson number 10, I'll do that together, inshallah. Any questions from anyone?
So the exercise, this one.
Yep.
Before that, the one that was, the first or second exercise. I don't remember. I remember the exercise, but I don't know what exercise. Not this one. There was another one that was it? Yeah, Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh.
Yeah.
If we could just again on that the same exercise, like we say it more faster, so it would be appreciated. Mudaf.
Yeah.
What the exercise means, the exercise work.
I'm not going to do it again because I've did it. If you listen to the recording, everything is there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's good then. That's good enough.
Allahumma salli ala